Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the thumbs up emoji on Facebook Messenger to any other emoji you prefer. So let's jump right in. First, open Facebook Messenger and click on a conversation where you want to change the default quick reaction. This could be any chat, whether it's with a friend, family member, or a group conversation. The process works the same way for all of them. Once you're in the conversation, look at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see an information icon there, typically represented by a small circle with the letter I inside, or 3 horizontal dots depending on your version. Go ahead and click on this icon to access the conversation settings and customization options. After clicking the information icon, a menu will appear showing various details about your conversation. You'll notice the profile name of the person you're chatting with at the top of this menu. Directly under their profile name, look for an option labeled Customize. This is where you can personalize different aspects of your conversation, including themes, nicknames, and quick reactions. Click on Customize to proceed to the customization menu. Now that you're in the Customize section, you'll see several options at the top of the screen. Look for the one that says Quick Reaction and click on it. This feature controls what emoji appears when you or the other person holds down on a message for a quick response. By default, Messenger uses the thumbs up emoji, but you're about to change that to something more personal or fun. After clicking Quick Reaction, a selection menu will pop up displaying a wide variety of emojis to choose from. Take a moment to browse through the available options. You can pick anything that suits your style or the nature of your conversation, whether it's a heart, a laughing face, a fire emoji, or anything else that catches your eye. Simply click on any emoji you prefer and it will instantly replace the thumbs up as your default quick reaction for this specific conversation. And that's it, you've successfully changed the thumbs up emoji to your chosen emoji on Facebook Messenger. Now, whenever you or the other person in the chat holds down on a message, your new custom emoji will appear instead of the standard thumbs up. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.